Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a beauty creations haul. So if you want to see what I picked up, what's in this little basket, what to look forward to in my get ready with me using new makeup videos, just keep on watching. As I mentioned in a different video, I actually did have some situations with the customer service on beauty creations, and honestly that's been like dealt with. I got a new tumbler, they sent me a new one. I went in store, I bought all this makeup, and I got a free one, so a little awkward. But yeah, it just took so long. It's like every time you email them, it takes like 5 to 6 days for them to respond, which I thought was crazy. And for a while there, I thought they were just ignoring me, whatever, but everything got solved, so everything is dealt with. So back to loving beauty creations. So we're gonna go ahead and just get started. First product that I purchased was this Beauty Creations Sunless and Sunkissed Perfecting Bronzer. So it is one of their matte bronzers. I went ahead and picked up the shade Down to Earth. It just looked like the vibe. It looked like the one that would match me the best. So that is what I picked up. Girl, 10 out of 10 for Beauty Creations packaging. Love it. Not only is their like outer packaging really cute, but the actual like packaging's cute as well. So I don't think I've like opened this at all. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Hello Kitty opener. So good. Hate opening things with my nails because then they break, girl, and it's not cute. All right, so let's get in here. Let's see how this looks. I honestly don't remember. Okay, yes, same packaging as their blushes. I honestly do own one of them. It did kind of break, girl, like the packaging situation, but I did handle it a little aggressively, so I think that's why it broke. But this is how the bronzer looks. So cute. And again, I did get the shade Down to Earth. Love the pink vibes. You do get a mirror in here, which is so good. And also the shade looks really nice. I'm so glad that I actually decided to go in store and purchase these products, because you just never know with the websites, like pictures and stuff, sometimes they don't really match to what the actual, how it looks online, how the swatches look, whatever, etc. Lighting and all of that can distort the coloring. But there's a look at the shade Down to Earth. Definitely looks like more on the cool tone side, well, on camera, but in person honestly looks really nice and like bronzy vibes. But yeah, so we'll see how this works out. It looks really cute. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this because we're just gonna go ahead and get into it and use it in a new video soon. We also went ahead, I think I also picked up a Bella product, if I'm not mistaken. I honestly don't remember. But we also have the Beauty Creations lip liner. So the day that I went into store, I honestly ran out of my favorite Ever New York lip liner in brown, and for some reason decided I'm gonna pick up one from Beauty Creations. So that's what I did. I picked up their Nude X lip liner in the shade Can't Handle. So I love this nude packaging as well. Again, they do so much amazing things with their packaging. I just saw they came out with a collaboration with Louis Castro, and I really love watching his podcast, and his videos are really funny. So yeah, really excited to see what he comes out with, which I think he just brought out a video. I'm gonna go ahead and watch it. Of course, it's gonna be purple vibes, which I'm really into. But here's a look at their lip liners. I don't think I've tried their like creamy lip liners. I've tried their wooden ones and I haven't been the biggest fan of those, but I love me a good like retractable lip liner. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's a little light. Again, there's the shade Can't Handle, but we'll see how it looks on the actual lips. Really nice, really creamy, but I thought it was gonna be a little darker. But you know, we'll see again how it actually goes on. I went ahead and picked up a lipstick as well. Again, if you guys have been on my channel, you guys know that I've really been into lipsticks, especially in my Shop My Stash. I picked out like 6 lipsticks, girl. Who am I? And I've really been like neglecting my liquid lipsticks, which I don't know if it's because it's summer, because it's hot, I don't know what's going on, but I decided to pick up one of their lipsticks to see how this one works. This is one of their new ones from the Tease Me line. It's the So It's Mine Soft Matte Lipstick. Again, love this packaging, really nice quality. Kind of goes like that, and then you get the lipstick inside. Look at how stunning that is. It's so cute. And there's the shade So It's Mine. Honestly looked very much my vibe. That looks so cute. It's right here. Look at how stunning that is. It's almost like a pinky brown kind of moment, like a mauve vibe. Really cute. I think it's gonna go really great with that lip liner that I picked up, and it's also a magnetic moment, so cute. So I did go ahead and readjust, you guys. I felt like I was like just a floating head, okay, girl. So yeah, I went ahead and picked up the Beauty Creations by Filter loose setting powder, and I went ahead and picked up the shade Honey Me. They had a total of like 4 powders. Again, I love their packaging. This is stunning. Okay, Beauty Creations on the side and then by filler on this side. But it's like engraved into the packaging. That's stunning. And then there's the shade Honey Me. Can't wait to try this out, girl. Then we have this product. This is the Bella product. It is new, which is why I just picked it up since I was there. This is their Browmination Clear Brow Gel. And it says it's a gel transparent vibe. Again, it's just from Bella, which is their sister brand. Looks like so. I've like really been wanting to pick up another Beauty Creations mystery box because they're really good. So this is basically just a clear brow gel meant to give you lamination on your brows. So we'll see how this works. It looks really nice, right? It looks stunning. Look at the brush now that we're here. I know some of you might be wondering, it is pretty long. It doesn't smell like anything. Okay. That looks so intriguing. Can't wait to try this. We have 2 more products. Again, this is not the biggest haul ever, but you know, Beauty Creations, it's a little up there, girl. I'm very much used to Shamasay vibes, TEMU vibes, but these products were a little up there. So usually I see these. I've been like really wanting to get the setting spray with the primer, but since I was there, I just went ahead and picked up the primer. So this is also from Bella, and it's their All Day Seal Face Primer. It's the pink one. It looked really cute, and I was in line when I just grabbed this. So yeah, those little like sections in the lines really do get you. Lastly, I've really been wanting to try this out. I've been seeing it everywhere. It's a Beauty Creations Plump and Pout Lip Plumping Booster. And hopefully it's not like strong. I haven't really read reviews on this, but basically I bought it just because I thought it was a gloss and literally didn't read that it was a plumper. But it's their Plump and Pout. It's meant to tint, hydrate, volumize to create the perfect pouty lips, and it's infused with vitamin E. So it says Plump and Pout without a doubt. Okay, girl. And in the back you do get the ingredients. I got the shade Pink Lemonade. Again, pink everything. This is so cute. How cute is that? So basically it looks like a little like syringe vibe, and then it looks like that. You press it and then the gloss comes out from there. So let's try it out. All right, so good news if you were worried about this. I don't know if you were, but it does have a little lock to it. So honestly, don't smell anything. I did get a little bit to come out. It's basically just a clear moment. So we're gonna see how this works on the lips, but actual packaging is what got me, girl. This is so cute. All right, so that was everything from this haul. Let me know if you're gonna pick up anything from Beauty Creations. Are you gonna pick up anything from the Louis Castro line? Yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying all of this out. Let me know that you love these types of videos by commenting and doing all of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.